So we have the pink iPhone 15 here. I bought the pink one because I actually really wanted to see what it looked like. And I feel like not enough people are doing videos on the pink iPhone 15. I feel like this is gonna be a popular phone as well. The sort of Barbie theme and stuff, I feel like obviously it's really blown up recently. So I wanted to see what the pink one looked like. And we'll also compare it with the other colors that I have as well. Okay, this one is actually really pink. I've seen videos of some of the other colors and the blue one basically looks white, but this looks really nice. I'm very, very impressed. It has a sort of matte finish on the back. It's not glossy, but I do like how this bit here as well has a bit of a pink hue to it too. We have the pink sides as well. I'm very impressed. I really like the look of this, surprisingly. Let's take this off. So this of course doesn't have the titanium rails like the 15 Pro does. So you can see the difference here. The titanium has a lot more sort of texture, has a sort of brush finish, has a much smoother finish on the edges around the sides, but it still has the nice curvature and the nice sort of rounded edges that the 15 Pro has. So yeah, this should feel quite nice in the hand. There is no action button on this. They have kept the silent switch, the silent rocker. I think for a lot of people buying this phone, I think the action button isn't going to be a big deal. I think they'll be happy with the silent switch. One big change though with this device is the camera. It now has a 48 megapixel camera, similar to the 15 Pro. It's not the same, it's similar. One big difference with the sensor on this is that the sensor size, the actual square that captures the image, is smaller than it is on the 15 Pro. So usually the bigger the sensor, the better the image quality. So even though this is 48 megapixels, I don't think it's going to match up with the cameras on the 15 Pro. It's still cool to see though. It's still cool to see Apple go from 12 megapixel to 48 megapixel because of course everyone loves to shoot pictures and videos with their iPhones. So having better cameras is always nice to see. If we look at what's in the box, we just have the same old, the SIM card pin, the Apple sticker, white one, no colored Apple stickers. It would be cool to see a pink Apple sticker. The USB-C cable as well, because the 15 has now been upgraded to USB-C, so no lightning cables anymore. So yeah, USB-C to USB-C. These are pretty nice USB-C cables actually. Again, it would have been nice to see them color coordinated to the phone. It would have been nice to see a pink one, but hey, I'm just being a bit too picky there, I think. Overall though, I'm very impressed with this color. It definitely has a really nice blush sort of pink color to it. I think people who are looking for a pink phone will be very, very happy with this. The pink railings, like I said, look really good too. Let's compare it to the other phones that we have here. So this is the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro. We have the black titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. We have the space black iPhone 14 Pro, the space gray iPhone 13 Pro. We also have the iPhone 13. I'm actually gonna need to move everything over because it doesn't fit. We've got too many phones here. But yeah, let's move everything over so that you guys can see the 13 mini as well. The 13 mini just looks awesome. But you can see the 13 mini is a midnight blue compared to the pink on the iPhone 15. So yeah, a good array of colors here. I mean, it would have been nice to have all the other colors as well, but I think this is a good example showing the color differences, showing what the pink looks like, especially with the natural titanium, because I think the natural titanium almost looks a little bit silver. Definitely has a sort of silvery finish to it. But yeah, I think it looks awesome. I really do like it. Another thing to note that the display on this has also been upgraded. We have an OLED panel. It doesn't get as bright as the 15 Pro, but we do have OLED now. And of course we have the dynamic island. So all of the 15s, all of the iPhones now, all of the modern iPhones, new iPhones all have the dynamic island. If we have them side by side, the 15 Pro and the 15, I don't know if you guys can see, but you should be able to see the differences in the bezels. The 15 does have a larger bezel. The phones themselves, as far as I can tell, are exactly the same size. The weight feels very similar as well. And of course the thickness is very similar. It's nice to see that they've put an OLED panel in this because I think it makes a lot of sense, right, to have OLED panels in all phones now. Saves battery as well. You get better image quality. The blacks are actually black. Watching movies, looking at photos, things like that, it's just a much better experience than an LED panel. So now that the iPhone 15 has USB-C, you can of course connect other USB-C accessories, charge up your phone with USB-C. You're not now limited to using Lightning. The only thing is that data transfer speeds aren't as fast as they are on the 15 Pro. So transferring photos and videos and things like that to and from the device won't be as fast. Other than that though, I think this pink iPhone is pretty awesome. I feel like it will make a perfect gift. Or if you're just looking to upgrade your iPhone and you want a pink one, now Apple do a proper pink iPhone. It very much has a sort of Barbie theme to it, I think. And I can see why with how popular Barbie has been. I can see why Apple have come out with a pink iPhone. Let me know which color you'll go for if it isn't the pink one. Obviously we have so many others here. and there's others on the website that I don't have. So yeah, let me know which color iPhone 15 you're going to go for. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.